love working with people but aren't so excited about the sales and recruitment? We have a new role as a sourcing specialist based from our Chatswood branch. We have a great team in Chatswood, winning Branch of the Year in 2015, with a mix of experienced consultants and up-and-comers. We are looking for a strategic thinker with excellent people skills to join our team. As the sourcing specialist, you will focus on identifying, attracting and engaging talent. Sounds a bit like Tinder, but it's more complex than swiping. We want someone who can build a talent pipeline, figure out our in-demand roles and find quality candidates with the right skills to be able to fill them. So who am I looking for? I've got three main suspects. For more information or to find out if this is right for you, please give me a call on 02 82 44 11 66.